And just before you leave, we're going to finish our festival. But before we do that, we've got a couple of thank yous that we need to acknowledge. The 6,000 young people that came across our stage, the 800 adults that helped them come across the stage, the hundreds of volunteers and high-vis that have joined us during this festival, the people in the background who make this all operational. We want to thank them from the bottom of our hearts, and we want to thank our funders. We want to thank the Otago Community Trust, and we can give them a wave because they're in the house. Tēnā kōrua. The Dunedin City Council and their events team, the Lion Foundation, Te Wānanga o Aotearoa, Te Wānanga o Otago, Te Rito Maioha, the Ministry of Education, Kia ata mai, our providers, our sound people from Strawberry Sound, our lighting from Southern Lights, our video factory, and you're going to find all of these logos if you go to our website. And you'll be able to live stream and you'll be able to see St Clair again. So again, whānau, thank you so much for coming out. And on behalf of the trustees, some of us who made it to the stage this afternoon, we just want to welcome you back for 2017 and close off 2016 with our resident kai karakia for the last 2 weeks, Komene Cassidy. So, ngā mihi koutou.
Kia ora no tātou, and I think also a round of applause also is needed for these people here under very, very trying circumstances. They've pulled off another fantastic Polyfest, and all of this wouldn't have happened without the people behind, these people here behind the work, making the decisions for all this to happen. So a big round of applause for our trust, please. So we're going to do a karakia, and then for those that know He Honore, we'll sing He Honore, and that'll be the closing of the 2016 Otago Polyfest. Te urunga tū, te urunga tapu, te Māori tū, te Māori tapu, te Māori te whiwhia, te Māori te rāwea, te Māori no hea, te Māori no runga, no rangi, no nuku tū. Tēnei te Māori ka whakapiki, tēnei te Māori ka whakakake, te Māori o ngā tipua, te Māori o ngā atua, te Māori nā rangi whakaputu ki te whai au, te ao mārama, uhi, wero, tau mai te Māori, haumi e, hui e, taiki e.
A solo now. Okay, e tū tātou, let's sing He Honore. He honore,
he kororia, mau ngā rongo ki te whenua. Whakaro, pai e, ki ngā tangata katoa. Ake ake, amine. Te atua, te piringa, tōku oranga. Tuturu whakamaua kia tīna.
Tīna.
Hui e, taiki e. Kia ora koutou.
Ka ki te whānau, see you.